Hi Daily City Rec at Home, my name is Cherry and today we're going to make a holiday tree with toilet paper rolls. For your supplies you're going to need a pencil, a pair of scissors, paper towel roll or its equivalent to about 3 toilet paper rolls, a sheet of green construction paper, half a sheet of red construction paper, Sharpies in bright colors, and wet glue. First you're going to measure about 1.5 inches of the edge for the trunk, and then the next 3 pieces it'll be about 2.5 inches, 3 inches, and 3.5 inches. Now you're going to save the smaller piece for the trunk, put it aside, and then you're going to align these 3 pieces onto the green construction paper, and then you're going to cut the green paper so it will cover the rolls, and then glue it on. After you've wrapped your rolls with green construction paper, you're going to glue them onto your red paper. Now all you have to do is decorate with the markers and then you're done. And there you have it, your holiday tree. Thank you for watching.